Hi, I am Mr. ML's digital spokesperson, powered by Google's text-to-speech technology. In this demo, I will show you how to build an email classification model in just minutes using GPT for a fictitious insurance company named Acme. I will use GPT to create fictitious customer emails to build a synthetic data set for validation. I'm using the Python library, names, to generate fictitious names. For this example, I will be making API calls to the GPT 3.5 Turbo model. You will notice that the temperature value is a parameter in this case. The reason being that in some cases I want GPT to be creative, and in others I want to minimize randomness. Let's run this cell. Great! There are no errors. The next cell is to generate the synthetic data for validation. In this use case, we are simulating emails sent by insurance customers. The first step is to provide context for GPT. Remember that the prompt has to be as specific as possible. I will let you read it. For this example, we will generate 10 emails. The name library is requesting a gender for the names, so I will generate it randomly. And it will generate a last name. Next, it will generate a random number to provide the reason for the customer's email. Then, I will make the API call to GPT. Notice that I am using temperature 1 to generate a creative email. Now we are ready to run the cell. I'm wondering what GPT will come up with. Interesting that Mitchell is asking for information about all the services. It seems that Christina is getting married soon. It looks like we have a dissatisfied customer. We must do something about that. Let's accelerate the video in the interest of time. In the next cell, we have the classification model. As always, providing context is critical. In the context, we tell the model which entities we want to extract from the email. In addition to the entities, we are asking the model to summarize the content and perform sentiment and urgency analysis. That's not all. We are giving a list of emails to forward the email to, depending on the insurance product the customer is referring to. I provided a fallback email just in case the product is not on the list. Lastly, I am asking the model to generate the output in JSON format with very specific keys so it can be consumed programmatically. Let's run the cell to see what happens. Here is the output. Wow! This is amazing. In the old days, building a similar model would have taken me weeks, if not months. Now with LLMs, I can do this with a single API call. Coding this prototype took me just minutes. This is indeed very powerful. I know, the output might not be perfect. It will require more fine-tuning before deploying the model. But this is still a tremendous time saver. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this demo helpful. See you in the next video.